What's going on, guys? Markie from the YouTube channel online certification course here. I got a bundle package in regards to distribution and warehousing. Come learn the in and out of warehousing, facility maintenance, forklift operation maintenance, sorter, picker, packer, barcode scanner, and so much more. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel down below so you won't miss out on any trending courses you may want to pick up. So before we get into this tutorial, go ahead and show love to my intro. This distributing and warehousing series package consists of 20 half-hour courses that make up a complete training solution for the following topics. You'll cover the basics, distribution overview, facility maintenance fundamentals, and more. For the intermediate, the photo eye, PI touch, sorter, and more. For the advanced classes, automated guided vehicles or AGVs, automated storage and retrieval systems, ASRS cranes, and more. Hey, what's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Enjoy the tutorial and the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Oh yeah, the FYI, this is going to be a bulk package purchase in which I will go over some of the lessons it includes. This package is ideal for warehouse maintenance managers, operations or distribution supervisors, maintenance workers, and even utility personnel who want to broaden their skill set for better career opportunities. You can also create or pick the courses you want to take in this bulk package as well. This 360 training online course covers a process in which a product makes its way from the vendor through a purchase order or a PO to the market and the basics of distribution. It also covers the layout of the distribution center as well as the modules associated with those centers. By the end of this course, you'll be able to describe the basic flow of product from manufacturer to a customer, describe the major functional areas of a distribution center, describe the product flow within the distribution center as well. This 360 online training course provides an overview on general facility maintenance, electrical safety, and the maintenance of lighting systems. This course also teaches the compressed air components and their components associated with the facility maintenance and the various plumbing systems. Lastly, this course discusses the chilled water system maintenance and components and the fire main system maintenance and components. By the end of this course, you'll be able to recognize basic facility systems, describe basic lighting maintenance, identify basic compressed air system components, explain basic plumbing system maintenance, identify basic chilled water system components, and describe basic fire main system maintenance. This course introduces you to the safety considerations and general work practices of fork trucks, including lockout tagout, battery maintenance, capacity circuits, hydraulic system safety. You'll also learn about electrical system schematic diagrams, diagnostic tools for fork trucks. It would also cover the maintenance and servicing selection and replacement of battery systems of the fork truck, the miscellaneous electrical control components and steering and guidance system of the fork trucks. You also learn about the different hydraulic systems and brake systems of the fork trucks. By the end of these two courses, you'll be able to describe safety precautions and general work practices to be followed when performing fork truck maintenance, explain the functions of an electrical fork truck electrical systems, and describe how to use the manufacturer documentation and schematic diagrams for troubleshooting, describe the purpose of the diagnostic tools and its use in accessing service history, initiating service checks and performing troubleshooting, explain the fork truck battery service requirements and change-out procedures, describe the operation and maintenance of miscellaneous electrical systems and components, including contractors, operator control modules, and steering feedback systems. Discuss the operation and maintenance of electrical fork truck, steering and guiding systems, explain the operation of the electrical fork truck hydraulic system, describe the operation and maintenance of electrical fork truck brake system. You will learn the ins and outs of the AGV automated guided vehicle. By the end of this lesson, you will learn how to describe the functions of each manual control, explain how to initialize the AGV list and operating modes, discuss the purpose of the AGV, recognize the major components of an AGV, explain the difference between navigation and guidance, explain internal navigation, discuss the guidance feedback system, identify daily maintenance tasks, explain the 200, 500, and 500 plus hour maintenance task, describe how to properly shut down the AGV, and describe the safe option of the AGV lift. Learn how to manage work orders, particularly in the web TMA system. You'll get certified in identify basic controls and areas of the web TMA system. Create a work order, add a cost to an existing work order, and close the work order. Learn about the induction components of the processes of scanning and sortation. By the end of this course, you'll be able to describe the components, including the induction section, explain the package scanning process, describe the package sortation process. This online course will also cover the following as well: barcode, scanner, battery charging systems 1 and 2, and conveyor basics as well. Many thanks for checking out my tutorial. Once again, please make sure you like, comment below as to what you want to get certified in. I could personally send you a link to check out. Also, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. And also, in the meantime, you can check these tutorials out as well. You may find them informative. Many thanks once again. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.